Nines, when we do debtors, and then we need to do the debtors ledger as well. Now, the debtors ledger is a summary of what happens in a certain debtor's account. For example, F Mayo. So when your parents or you have an account somewhere, then you will get a statement with everything that happened in your account in a specific month. So each time you paid your account or each time you bought on credit, it will be there. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to see everywhere that F Mayo's name is, we're going to highlight it or do something so that we know that it is F Mayo. All right, so I'm highlighting all the places where I see F Mayo. All right, so F Mayo is highlighted. All right, so every time at the beginning of a month, the person will owe you money. So F Mayo at the first of this month, so we're going to write in the date first of all, on the 1st of June 2012, F Mayo owes us 2,240. So now we're going to write account rendered. So it's almost like your balance. It is your balance, but we are writing account rendered. And then in the balance column, we are going to write the amount of 2240. All right, now we're going to go and we're going to see which date is first. I have a second and I have the fifth. So the first one is obviously the second. And this is in my debtors journal. Debtors journal, we use an invoice. So we're going to use an invoice number. All right, so we have the date. And then we're going to have invoice number 981. This is in our DJ. And when we write in the DJ, it means that the debtor bought from us. So the debtor's debt is increasing. So therefore it's a plus. And then in credit is when the debtor pays his debt, or he pays his account rather, and then it is a minus. All right, so his debt increases. So if it's an invoice, it's DJ. And then it's in the debit column. 2,400 Rand was the amount. All right, so now I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to take the balance at the beginning or the balance in the previous column. He owed us 2,240 and now he's going to owe us another 2,400. So I'm going to plus this amount of 2,400 and that is going to be equal to the next balance. All right, so 2,240 plus 2,400 will give me my next balance of 4,640. All right, then I go back to my journal and I see the next one is on the 5th. He paid his debt. So therefore I'm going to have on the 5th, when we pay, we're going to issue a receipt. So it's receipt number 402. It's in the CRJ and CRJ means it's credit. All right, and now I'm going to say 4,640 minus 1,600 to give me my new balance of 3,040. So now F Mayo owes us 3,040 Rand on the 5th of June. The next one is on the 13th, also in the CRJ. So again, CRJ is receipt. Receipt is CRJ. CRJ means credit. Credit means minus. So now he owes us nothing. So it's either 0 or a little stripe or what you want to do there. All right. So he owes us nothing. Then on the 29th, we see F Mayo, and this is now for current income. And this is not, it has not anything to do with his credit. All right. So it has nothing to do with him paying his debt or him buying on debt. All right, so therefore we're not going to do anything with that last transaction. And this is now your debtors ledger.